On Wednesday, the 28th of December 2022, members of the Rewar Mingi Development Organization (RMDO) had made an appeal to all residents of Rewar Mingi and especially to quarry owners and businessmen to work together in order to ease the inconvenience to the people caused by regular traffic congestion all along the Wakadai-Dauki Road. Speaking on the issue, the president of the RMDO, Kershan Langhongsni, informed that for a long time now, trucks transporting stones to Bangladesh have been parked recklessly along the entire road from Wakadai to Dauki, thereby causing much inconvenience to the residents of the area. This traffic congestion has negatively impacted the day-to-day business of the people and also the daily commute from the villages to other locations. Khongsni added that the congestion has even affected treatment of patients who are left stranded for a long time before they could reach particular health centers. A meeting with the SDO Penursla subdivision and the second officer in charge of the Penursla police station, along with representatives of the Truck Owners and Drivers Association, was held on the 22nd of December, informed the president of the RMDO. On this, Khongsni informed that the organization has been assured by all concerned authorities that a systematic parking of vehicles that have been obstructing flow of traffic in the Rewar Mingi area will be regulated from the 3rd of January 2023 onwards. He also appealed to the people to work together with authorities towards the convenience of one and all.
Kidon kini kikali export kibayad na po batkit ikini kimau nang ne na po Penursla Syatish po Bangladesh tiklami shibon ki complain tenagaleng kaseng cungiru nila shim kanika cingkit kle na kabanta ban monra itu solution to bahaya na kabanta ka cingbit cingbiang cungki pai ba bon balang na markat kum ki complain hi nila yo snow nila tip ba cingye i kadai ki dithan na pongtung sharum kisnom ki ba ya kendo ikini ki cinghe bat kidon ru ki khap wat ba ki nompang ki kendo sipon ki cingye ba hi masen cuki ban panpoi ki nompang nak kisnom cuki syaki cika sumar nama ba ka cingdeng kali cing bon palat cuki trok ki bayat turmur ki bombyang ka cing pendian na kalian ka association na kalian ki exporter ki ya kat ba ki mon kat ba ki smobet ba ki yang ha ki surok alenti singking klem kanu ka cing perkhat ya ka cingdon kam cuki wei pat ki pai ba ki ba em sya ki ki room shnong nadu pongtung shadu doki ti shibon ki ki complain ila yo sya seng te nagalen seng kala shim ya karai ka ba khaddu hi ba ngin ya kendo bani syom mani penbek lang bat nakaleng chung SDO bat kumchu ru ila yo bani syom perkhat lang ba di OC in charge chung ka Penursla police station te ak jing kendo chung ya ka aku artarik kalau ka basai so bat Nagaland ki exporter ukila dan bentalang bat Nagaland ki driver association ukila yawan lang hakan kesngi kata ka arpo artaring tingi hakare ke cingi shom meeting cungi ngila yeshim kawai karai ka hatam kalau mau barok itu ki driver truck lani ki association truck bat kuncur bagi cingi trelang ki exporter bat ki try parking ban nang ne syakmat nado lightering ba on sa pleno ke export house name archar arpo arpulai lightering January te nilai sini koi garai kalau mo baro ki driver truck bat ki association jung truck baki kali baro ki de bandrung shwa parking baro amdei bakin yen syaki we pat ki benta jung surok ba on shi kodauki te kane ka cing request ka appeal ba ka cing kerpat na kalen aseng